Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for July. This month's theme is The Great Escape. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag features a takeover refreshments bag for extra space this summer. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask, Lottie London 4-piece eyeshadow palette, Toyfactory B9 blending brush, e.l.f. Power Grip primer, and the Seraphine Botanicals liquid kohl eyeliner. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar, Rodial Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser, Wing Me Clear Brow Gel, Natasha Denona Fez Palette, and the Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Multistick. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and using the Rodial Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. This is the most expensive product in the box. Key ingredients include vitamin C, glycolic and lactic acids, fruit acid, and blood orange water. Next, I'm trying out the Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask. This claims to be the fastest working clay mask in the world because it dries up in just 40 seconds. Let's see if that's true. It really does dry fast. It's already starting to dry in some areas while I'm still applying it. This is what it looks like when it's fully dry, and it feels super tight. To set my brows, I'm using the Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. This is a pretty large tube. I always use a brow gel to tame my brow hairs and set them in place, and this one is really great already. I can already tell that it feels more like glue, it's not as wet, and so hopefully they'll stay in place for a really long time. Now let's take a look at the Natasha Denona Fez Palette. This 5-pan palette retails for $48. Let's swatch it. Wow, I'm really impressed with how smooth and pigmented these swatched. I'm using the Toyfactory B9 blending brush to apply the orange shade called Carnelian. I'm applying this to the center of the lid. This is a really nice shade of orange. Next, I'm grabbing the brown shade called Mindful, which unfortunately fell out of the pan, but I managed to smush it back in there. I'm applying just a little bit of this on top of where I applied the orange shade to darken it a bit. Now I'm using the blue shade called Acrobat. I'm applying this to the inner and outer parts of the eye. Finally, I'm dipping into the gold shade called Oro. I'm just lightly dusting this onto the lid. Adds a nice little sparkle to the whole look. Now I'm priming with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is a gel-based hydrating face primer that smooths skin while gripping your makeup. This product recently went viral, so it's pretty cool to be receiving it in my Ipsy bag. It's very grippy, almost like glue. Finally, I'm applying the Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Multistick. This is in the shade Lucky Days. Wow, that's a lot pinker than I was expecting. Here's the finished look using products from both the July Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.